Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the essentials out of the way. Update iPad OS and install Google Maps, then grant location permission so Street View locates you. Once done, open the Google Maps app and sign in to access saved places and personalized results. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active because Street View streams high-resolution imagery. With the app open, tap the search bar or long press a map spot to begin. That first selection moves you directly towards Street View availability. Once you've selected a location, tap its place card, then look for the small Street View thumbnail or the human pegman icon. Tap that to enter immersive view. Use pinch gestures to zoom and drag to look around. Swipe left or right on screen arrows to move along the street. Make sure to rotate the iPad for wider viewing and double tap to zoom quickly. If no thumbnail appears, try moving the pins slightly along the road until a Street View capture is available. To finish, save any useful Street View spot using the star or label so you can reopen it quickly. You can also share the exact view via the share sheet or capture a screenshot for reference. If Street View won't load, force quit the app and toggle location services. Make sure low data mode is off. Reinstall Google Maps as a last resort. If imagery looks outdated, remember Google updates intermittently, so check different nearby roads for newer captures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.